Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Redmi Note 6 Pro water test. This phone is not water resistant. Let's see if it can survive in the water test. This is the 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. There's also one more variant with 6GB of RAM with the same 64GB of internal storage. It has a 20MP plus 2MP dual front facing camera. And also on the back it has a dual camera setup, 12MP plus 5MP camera. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now let's put this phone in. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And now the phone is now completely in water. I'm going to keep this phone in the water for 1 minute. Something unusual is happening here. And the phone display is blinking. The bubbles is coming out from the phone. That means the water is going inside the phone. And still it continues turning on and off. Let's flip this phone. Flip it back again. The phone is not responding to the touches. And the phone turned off. Do you think it will survive the water test? Okay, so now it's been 1 minute. Let's take the phone out. So let's clean the phone. And after cleaning the phone, let's see if it's still working or not. Let's try to turn it on. And it's turning on. And the water didn't went inside the dual camera. We will check the camera once the phone turned on. And the phone turned off again. I will try to turn it on again. So the phone turned on after a few seconds. And it seems to be working fine. Let's check the camera. And it takes photos just like normal. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor. And let me just put a simple pin. And oops, the Redmi Note 6 Pro turned off again. And the phone is not turning on. I'm trying to turn it on, but the phone is not working. Nothing is happening when I'm holding the power button. And a quick update, the phone is working after like 6 hours. And also the phone is very responsive to the touch. Looks like the phone is fully working. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is scanning my fingerprint. That means it's working. And as you can see, it's unlocking the phone. And also let's see if the face unlock is working. After adding my face, it's unlocking without any problem. And it only unlocks the phone when your eyes are open. And the volume rockers are also working. The phone also charges the battery without any problem. Let's check the camera again. And the camera is still taking good photos with good details and contrast. And now let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Redmi 6A unboxing. Let's see what we get inside the box. The speaker is loud and clear, and it's working without any issues. So yeah, the Redmi Note 6 Pro survived the water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.